here's my plan. I'm gonna take you to work with me tonight. I know you're super excited. No, I really am excited to bring you. We're gonna go to Ellis Creek Fish Camp. One of the things that I do here is I still serve at this restaurant, and I love it. I love my job. I love being there. The view is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's beyond mesmerizing. It's peaceful. You can see the tide come in and out on the creek. It's just it's a favorite local spot, and you'll see why. Hopefully by the end of this video you're going to be wanting some mouth-watering seafood from Ellis Creek Fish Camp. Taurus! I love you! Right now, it is the very tail end of February. We are not quite hitting busy season. That will happen towards the end of March. I'm out at what we call the dock. It kisses right up to the creek, and especially like brunches, people are out here having their mimosa or their Bloody Mary, and the backdrop is exquisite, peaceful, divine, if you will. Can't forget that we have cornhole. Can't go to a place without cornhole. Okay, so we have some nummy scallops here that are blackened shrimp, blackened grouper, our hush puppies.
Oh, wow.
Yummy, so nummy. We have some shrimp and fish tacos going on in the back. Let's go take a look at the shrimp Alfredo. We have a whole fried flounder that just went up in the window, and I think we should go take a look. So at night, it becomes pure magic out here. The lights, A+. That is a wrap at Ellis Creek for tonight. I really hope y'all come and enjoy some of the food here, the view. Look forward to seeing every single one of you. That's a wrap!